Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to enable only read restriction in Microsoft Word document. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to enable only read restriction in this document. Go to the File menu. Then click the Protect document. Then select Restrict Editing. Then select the check mark Formatting restriction, editing restriction. Then click check mark the everyone. Then click yes. Then type password. Then click OK. Now you can see we enable the read only restriction. You cannot editing the document. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.